Welcome to a tutorial on using Note on the EduTouch EE panel. To access, select the green Note icon on the home page. The user is able to write and change pen styles or colours by holding the pen-shaped icon. To allow for two different colours on the pen, locate the two smaller pens. To erase, select the rubber icon and either loop or scratch over unwanted content. To delete the whole page, select the trash can. The user has the ability to insert 2D or 3D shapes as desired. When the Paint tool is selected, the user will be directed to another page. There are various paintbrush styles and colors to choose from. In the right-hand corner, the user has the ability to start new pages or change over to previous content. The menu or further options can be accessed in the bottom left-hand corner. A background option is available where the user has the ability to change colors, use preset templates, or insert their own backgrounds. In the menu option, a user can insert a PDF document which can be viewed and written over. Once finished, select Save and use the X symbol to exit out of the application.